Welcome to our guide on mastering your driving exam. Whether you're a first time driver or refreshing your skills, these tips will help you navigate the road with confidence. Begin with a calm mindset. Remember, it's not about rushing. Drive using what you've learned and avoid trying anything new during the exam. Maintain a steady pace, neither too fast nor too slow. Regularly check your mirrors, especially when you're stopped at a red signal. This habit keeps you aware of your surroundings and ensures safe driving. Approach tight spots with caution. If you're unsure about fitting, it's better to wait. Slow down at corners with limited visibility and when passing parked cars. Maintain a safe distance 1 meter from cars ahead and 1.5 meters from pedestrians or bicycle. Reversing is one of the most challenging maneuvers. Always do it slowly and safely. Take your time to ensure precision. Always use your signals when turning or changing lanes. This communicates your intentions to other drivers and keeps everyone safe. Stalling is no problem. Stay calm and avoid stress. Check if you are in the first gear before restarting. Always look before you steer. This ensures you're aware of your surroundings and can make informed decisions. The red signal is your best friend. When you see a green light turning amber, don't rush. Welcome the red signal as it gives you time to relax, prepare, and check your surroundings. Avoid blindly following the car ahead. Keep a safe distance and stay alert to changes in traffic conditions. With these tips, you're well on your way to passing your driving exam with flying colors. Stay calm, stay aware, and drive safely. For more driving tips and resources, please check my playlists.